Hey, welcome back to the Schmitty750 YouTube channel. Today we've got a Ruger 1022 carbine. It's just got like a little Vortex Diamondback scope on it. I think it's what is it, 3x9. And what we're going to be doing, we'll check and make sure. So no magazine in there, empty. What we're going to be doing is putting in this new Summit Precision carbon fiber bull barrel. It's the matte black FNC, and I'm not too sure what the FNC is. All I know is they do something to the steel that's on the inside, on the steel sleeve, something that makes it slicker is what they were telling me. It's 16.1 inches long, so a little bit shorter than your factory barrel, and it's a 1 in 16 twist. The chamber is 22 bents. So with 22 bents, they say, Summit Precision says, no hyper velocity in the bent style chambers, so your CCI stingers aren't going to work. I think this chamber is tighter than the factory, so it just can't handle the chamber pressures with the higher velocity stuff. And at the muzzle, it's going to be 0.9055, and at the receiver, it's 0.920. Now, being that it is a bull barrel and it's 0.920, it is not going to fit on this factory stock, which I really like the factory stock. So what I ended up having to get is a Hogue overmolded rubberized stock. It's OD green, and it is able to accept the larger bore barrels, so it just fits in there nice and snug, and everything is free floating. So, and this is kind of like, this is nice, it's like a little rubberized material, so you get a lot of grip on it. And it's a little heavier than the factory one, but the barrel is a little lighter, so I don't know, it probably all evens out. So now we'll go into taking this thing apart. You just have a little Allen head screw in here. And this is the only thing holding everything to the stock. So it is tight right here where the safety is. So you just have to make sure that you kind of put the safety in between safety and fire, and it should fit right through there. Then it comes out. Now you have your trigger assembly and your barrel. And so we can just get rid of this guy. You do have to be careful because these pins right here, you already see them wanting to fall out. They'll fall out, and they do need to go back in where they came from. There are 2 Allen heads right here that hold this little block, and the little block is what holds the barrel. So it's just this little block that holds it in. And there's a groove right here that little block slides over. The new barrel has the same groove. And what Summit Precision was saying is they even give it to you in the box. You may have to get some real fine grit sandpaper and then kind of sand this down so that it'll fit in here but we'll check it first to make sure. And they recommend not twisting it into place. So mine does not need to be sanded. You can see it's very flush. I'll put the little block on and our Allen heads. See, I already lost a pin. Those are gonna fall out the whole time. Just make sure they're in there before the gun goes completely back together. Make sure all of our pins in. And the safety to the neutral, there is no neutral position, but close as you can get to it. And we just slide that in. Make sure it's all the way back, seated up against here. Oh. Of course the pin falls out. Safety back to neutral. Pin tries to fall out. Okay, we're in again. So, this is what screws everything down to the new Hogue stock. Okay, so there you go. Oh, and a 1/2 by 28 threaded barrel with a thread protector. Make sure everything cycles. And that's it, a Hogue OD green overmolded stock fitted for .920 bull barrels and the Summit Precision 16.1 inch carbon fiber bull barrel. Now it's like a whole new gun. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.